We have signs. They are made of aluminum with plastic backing and poles, stakes into the ground. We're going to show you how to set up and where to place. From the providers, CKOK's aluminum, sign, plastic housing, and stake and pole. They make many different types of signs. This one says, please clean up after your dog. And what we're going to go do is show you where we're going to put it and how to set it up. We'll give you some measurements of the sign going across is about 10.5 inches. And the height of the sign is about 5.5 from the pole and all is 6.5 inches. And each pole will measure 12 inches apiece. And the coupler that goes in between measures 3.5. And the stake itself measures 8 inches. Setting up is as easy as taking a one-way sign, taking one pole, slipping in, and putting in the stake, which will stand about 18 inches tall. Putting in the coupler and putting in the second pole, we have a pole that's going to stand into the ground 31 inches. The last one we put in is the stake, and we have our sign all set up. For us, we're going to place our sign right here into the area. We want to make sure it sticks correctly in the ground. And there we go. We have our sign. Beware of dog. Please clean up after your dog. These signs for your property, landscape, business, wherever you need to tell people, beware and clean up after your dog. Thank you for viewing.